Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal with Grubhub. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start using PayPal to pay for your meals and deliveries. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the Grubhub app. Next, we're going to click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, click on Payment. Next, click on Add New Payment. And then from here, we're going to click on PayPal. Now, once you click on PayPal, it's actually going to launch the PayPal API. So it is important that you have PayPal installed and actually logged in just to make things easier for you. So right now we have some blurred out information, but we're just going to agree to the terms and conditions as far as connecting PayPal with Grubhub goes. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect PayPal with Grubhub. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys